here at the Dollar Tree, and when I say we, me and Sarah, and we are gonna go into the Dollar Tree and see what we can find that I may need for the winter, and maybe some Valentine decor, see if there's anything cool for some DIYs and things of that nature. So we are gonna take you in there, and you're gonna come shopping with us and see what we can find. So let's go. Did I? Little cute gloves, little cute bags. Like this bag is really cute. This one's cute. Tons of Valentines. Do you guys do Valentines at your school? Sarah, do you do Valentines at your school? Oh.
I don't know if they do it. I've never been to the store on Valentine's Day.
Well, this was kind of cute.
I'm gonna give somebody my Valentine. I don't know. This one's so cute.
Oh, this is kind of cute.
Okay, it's Rosie.
Let me see.
Rosie. Oh, and then there's this one. Look, it says the Rosie door. There's more Rosies. Then we got these ones. Oh, they're so cute.
These little signs right here, love each moment, are cute. They're pretty.
They're little art easel.
Oh, I like these little flags. These are cute too.
Love, conquer all. Love, conquer all.
There's like, is it a 2-pack? Or are they just single and they're just stuck together? They're single. Those are cute.
And then we got love every moment.
I think those are all the same.
Yeah. And then we got these ones. These are
Oh, those are cute too.
And then that one, love each moment. Or follow your heart.
Oh, that's cute too. Little tins. Flowers. What is that?
It's a squishy. But where did they get it? It's one of the squishies I've been looking for, but where is it?
They have like little mailboxes. Oh, little, look at these. Like little candles that are like coffees.
Oh my god, it's for my room.
You can't burn no candles in your room, girl.
Oh, wow. I'll just keep it for decoration.
You don't need any more decorations in your room.
Guys,
Let's declutter it first
they
before.
have some Yo-Yo surprise lip balms. They have glitter changing keychains. And they have little unicorn puff balls.
Oh, sweet. Balloons. They got Valentine balloons, a little mums.
I gotta find it.
Probably around here somewhere.
Clear glue here. Clear glue at the Dollar Tree. Oh my god.
Look at those Elsa and Anna stickers. Open those up and see if they're cool
These
for
ones?
dance. No, these ones.
The little one.
They have like... Oh, yeah, those will be hard to get off for the kids.
But they have these ones too.
Yeah. I think they'll be too hard to get off. It'll be a pain more than a joy.
I've ever seen somebody broke the lead.
Oh, somebody broke the lead?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, how would you write with that? Does it actually physically write?
It's a driveway marker.
Oh, it's a driveway. You thought it was a pencil.
Well,
I thought it was
doesn't
too.
it
Yeah, so
looks-
people don't run into ditches.
Oh.
Are those good for the little kids?
Yeah, people love Shopkins.
They do. Your coat got a little dirty there
Oh,
on the side of the arms. All right, we'll grab those. Well, we got those ones.
We got these.
We've had those before. We haven't done that, but I feel like they're gonna fight. But then again, it might work.
They would fight over these too, though.
Do they? These ones are kind of cool too. The Elsa and Anna ones we'll get.
Yeah, we'll get one of each.
I'm gonna get these minions for my daycare kids because it's unisex.
I want to check out the puns.
Dollar Tree and we didn't get a whole lot, so we kind of have like a mini haul, so we're gonna go ahead and show you that before we even leave to go to our next destination. My daughter wants to show you what she picked up with a few of her, well, a few of her dollars money that she brought and she wanted to buy, and then I'll show you what I got and whatnot, and then we'll head on to our next destination. So we want to show you that and then we'll post the video. So do you want to start, Sarah?
Sure. So first thing I got is this Squeezy Yum, and these are licensed squishies. So yeah, I love squishies, and it turned off.
I can still see you, so keep going.
And it's it's a cookie. So yeah, I got.
Apparently these are a hot commodity with little kids.
Yeah.
So well, 11-year-olds, I should say.
I got 4 things of glue. So this was only $1, and this was another.
So yeah, glue to make slime. I'm assuming.
Yeah. I got 2 other squishies. So this is a lemon, and these are called squishies. So 3 and plus. I don't know what that means, but I got an orange, and they actually smell good. So yeah. And then I got some silly putty because I don't know, I wanted silly putty. I got this unicorn puff ball. I got these Yo-Yo surprise lip balms. I don't know, but I just wanted to see.
I want to see what that was all about.
Yeah. I got these gel pens, which I'm excited to use for school. Got this sequin changing little puff ball.
Super cool.
Yeah, I love sequin changing. Then, for the best thing there, they have clear glue, guys. Clear glue. That's wow.
I think she got the last 3.
Yeah, I got the last 3.
So those are pretty popular. So that was your little haul, right?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna flip the camera around and I will do my little haul. Okay, so for what I got, I can barely see my head. So I ended up picking up 4 poster boards. I don't know if it's coming up very well on camera, but I like getting the poster boards here because they are 2 for $1, and I use them for work to display our costumes that we're going to be using for the season. So I got 4 of those. And I did show you a lot of the Valentine stuff that they had there, but there wasn't a whole lot of things that I needed or wanted. And maybe as the season progresses and gets closer to Valentine's Day, I might decide to use some of the things because they had some really super cute things. The next thing is I picked up 3 picture frames, which I needed 3 more for DIY that my Girl Scouts are going to be doing. So I found 3 more of these, and I was going to get them yesterday. We ended up having, well, their school ended up having a snow day, so we didn't have the meeting. So we ended up picking them up today, so they'll be ready to go for our next meeting. I picked up stickers for my students. I got these Shopkin ones. The stickers are really cool, even if you're using them for your kids for potty training or for good behavior for the rewards charts. I would highly recommend that. And then I picked up these Disney Princess ones, which are super cute. These Minion ones, which are unisex, which is nice. And then I got some Elsa and Anna ones. They had some really cute Elsa and Anna ones there, but these are the ones that'll come off the easiest, I think, off of it. I picked up this lacy ribbon. It's like an off white. I'm not sure if it's coming up in camera, but it's like a cream color. And I'm going to use it for maybe some DIYs. I also picked up these pipe cleaners. They have like sparkles in them, and they're red and like a fuchsia pink for DIY. So I did get that. So I have a couple bags here. So a couple DIYs. I don't know if I'm going to be doing them in the next month or 2. I have like thoughts in my head, but nothing's processed fully. I picked up 2 of these mats. I do like to get these mats because I lay my dog's dishes on these, and they're great because when they get kind of cruddy, I just throw them out. I only spent $1. No big deal, right? And I also got, they had really cute Valentine ribbon. So I guess this is kind of something that I got Valentine-y-ish. Is this checkered, I guess buffalo check, red and white ribbon that I'm going to use for either tying wreaths or something. I'm not really sure. And the last bag is, I think it's just all the glassware. I picked up, they had these like mugs I'm going to use with my Cricut to make something for Valentine's Day with my Cricut. So I don't know if I'm going to do like his and hers and make hearts and give one to my husband for Valentine's Day, or to a friend, or to a teacher, fill it up with coffee or candy. So I got 2 of those. Hopefully I don't need more than 2. I didn't want to get a whole lot because A, storage, and B, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. They had tons there, so obviously by the time I come back there, if I do decide to make more, they're probably not going to have any. And then I got these beautiful like wine glasses, the short ones, and I seen something on Pinterest, kind of like a DIY using my Cricut. So we'll see what we make with that. And of course I'll post everything on my social media at My Whole Lot of Love. And my daughter has an Instagram account too, and she posts a lot of things. And what's your Instagram? handle?
Sarah Life Hack.
Sarah Life Hacks, and Sarah is spelled with an H at the end, so S-A-R-A-H. So that is our mini haul at the Dollar Tree. If you love these shop with me videos, give us a thumbs up so we know we'll keep doing them, and let us know in the comments if there's any shop with me videos that you want us to see. Maybe not necessarily the Dollar Tree. My daughter and I like to go to Five Below, Salvation Army, things like that. So just let us know in the comments below, and we'll try to accommodate you. So I hope you guys are having a great day and staying warm if you are in a cold climate, and if you're in a warm climate, I hope you're staying cool. So we'll see you guys real soon. So long from me, and so long from Sarah. Right, Sarah?
Yes.
Pop your head. Oh, the cross is hiding you. There she is. See you guys later.